Hi friends, today I'm going to show you a kid-friendly cheesed stuffed palak paratha. All the kids love cheese so much, so I've created a healthier version. Hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients. I have taken here about 200 grams of spinach and I have cut them like these. I have used American cheese slices here, but you can use any cheese that you like, mozzarella, pepper jack, or any cheese that you like. 2 cups of wheat flour, some oil, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of ginger, garlic, and coriander. Take a wide plate to give you enough space to make the dough. Add salt, ginger, garlic, and coriander paste, red chili powder, cumin powder, turmeric. Mix everything well. All the spices should coat the spinach leaves. Notice that we have used very little red chili powder since this is mainly for kids, so we don't want to make it too spicy. Let's add the 2 cups of wheat flour. Now slowly we are going to first mix the wheat flour with the spinach leaves, and gradually we'll start adding water little by little and make it a medium soft dough. So it will take about 7 or 8 minutes to get everything together, so take your time. Once it is soft enough, spread about 2 teaspoons of oil around the dough and just massage it like that and cover it and keep it aside. So here is the American cheese that I have used. I'm breaking it into small pieces to make the stuffing, but if you don't want to do that, you can always buy the shredded cheese. But since I already had these in my fridge, I'm just breaking them and using those as my stuffing. One slice of cheese can fit in one ball of stuffing, so just see how much you need and accordingly break those. Now here we have everything ready. The dough has been sitting for about 30 minutes, so let's take a small piece about the size of a small ball, dip it in the dry flour and give it a roll like this. Once you roll it to a size like that, go ahead and put the cut cheese pieces on one side and fold it in the middle and seal the sides. So it will be a shape of a semicircle. Apply some dry flour on both the sides and start rolling. Do it very gently because of the stuffing that we have put in. We don't want it to come out, but we also want to make it in a flat. So, do it gently and spread it across. Once I'm happy with the size and the thickness, I'll stop. So this is how the rolled paratha looks like. Here I'll show you another method to make the stuffed ball. Just dip it in the dry flour and start spreading it like this, making a shape of a bowl. Now add cheese in this section. See how much can fit in and accordingly add that, and then seal it from all the sides, covering it like that. And then just make sure it kind of forms a little ball, and then you can just dip it in dry flour and just roll like that. So it's your choice how you want to make that stuffed ball. The end result is we want to make parathas like these. If you're comfortable, you can always roll and roast simultaneously, or if you're like me, I roll them first and then roast them one after the other, so it's your choice. Put a pan to medium-high flame and add about 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the pan is hot, we'll start putting in our first paratha and start roasting it on one side for about 15 to 20 seconds. Now flip over and pat it like that. Apply some oil on the side and spread it evenly. After 10 to 15 seconds on the other side, flip it again and apply some oil on this side as well. Notice that some cheese has already started to melt. Pressing it on the sides, roast it well. Notice that it's kind of puffing so nicely. So that's what we need. So keep pressing and roasting on all the sides. If you need to, just flip it one more time and press it like that. The paratha is now ready. Let's take it out in a plate. Doesn't it look yummy? Let me show you the inside. This is how the melted cheese looks. Give it a try. I'm sure your kids will love it. I'm going to continue roasting the remaining parathas. Just to let you know, my kids finished these in no time. So do give it a try and let me know. If you liked today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.